receive His Excellency the President.
The Janani Luwum family officially donated the land to the Diocese of Okujjukira Church of Uganda, for which I thank them so much. The master plan includes the church, the tombs, a multi-purpose arena, museum, primary school, secondary school, a hospital, administration block, and in the long time, a polytechnic and St. Janani Luwum University.
We have tried to honor his memory by naming many of our institutions and projects after him. Today, at the center of Kampala Metropolitan City, we have St. Janani Luwum Church House. Also, we have Janani Luwum Church in the suburbs of Kampala, Kansanga area. We have also Janani Luwum schools.
And as you heard the minister telling you, they are doing the master plan. Once it is ready, they will tell us the cost.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.